Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we bring you the future of technology today. You're about to get the full breakdown of what Apple just revealed at its jaw-dropping event, a launch so packed with upgrades, touches, and surprises, it's poised to reshape the smartphone game. Stick around, because some of these innovations are about to set new industry standards. Now, let's jump right into it. From the moment the iPhone 17 comes into your hands, it's clear this isn't just another upgrade, it's a statement. Apple has completely reimagined the display. They've bumped the screen up to a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR panel adorned with promotion tech, making smooth, responsive scrolling your new norm. And get this, it's not only bigger, but brighter, reaching a staggering 3000 nits peak brightness, while also sporting Ceramic Shield 2, which promises 3 times the scratch resistance and improved glare reduction. Now here's a hook for you. Imagine using your phone under the blazing midday sun, and everything stays crystal clear. That's the power of 3000 nits. But let's not stop there. Apple has doubled the base storage to 256 gigabytes, with a 512 gigabytes option also available right out of the gate. And yes, there's a fresh range of finishes: black, lavender, mist blue, sage, and white, because why not make your tech look as good as it performs? Here's where things get really compelling: the front camera. Apple is calling it the center stage front camera, and it's bringing the first ever square sensor to the iPhone. That means more resolution, up to 18MP for selfies, and a broader field of view that captures way more without having to rotate your device. Plus, it intelligently expands the frame when more faces enter the shot. Dual Capture now lets you record yourself and what's in front of you at the same time. Imagine vlogs or reaction videos that feel cinematic without extra gear. And during video calls, the camera keeps you centered. It's smart. It's intuitive. It just works. Meanwhile, on the back, Apple has gone all 48MP across the board: Main, Fusion Main with 2 times optical quality telephoto, and Fusion Ultra Wide. That's right, ultra-detailed shots, better zoom, wider macro possibilities, all jam-packed into your pocket. From photos to the video realm, Apple is raising the bar again. 4K 60 Dolby Vision, Cinematic Mode, Action Mode, Spatial Audio Capture, Post-Recording Audio Mix, so you can tune dialogue over ambient sound, even wind noise reduction. And support for spatial photos/videos meant to shine on Apple Vision Pro. Filmmaking, or just capturing everyday life, just got way more cinematic. Power is another key upgrade. Apple's latest A19 chip, built on their 3nm tech, delivers seriously improved performance and efficiency. We're talking a CPU that's 1.5 times faster than the A15 Bionic, and a GPU that's more than 2 times as fast, all while drawing less power. Coupled with iOS 26's adaptive power mode, your phone learns your usage habits to stretch battery life further. In fact, Apple says you can get up to 30 hours of video playback, 8 hours more than before, and that's just the baseline. Charging? They've fast-tracked it. You can get to 50% in just 20 minutes with Apple's new 40W dynamic power adapter with 60W max. Connectivity-wise, the iPhone 17 isn't slacking. It features the new N1 wireless chip, enabling cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread, making transfers and connections lightning fast and reliable. Plus, they've pushed further into eSIM territory, offering models that are entirely eSIM, fewer physical ports, more versatility running in regions including the US, Canada, Japan, the Gulf, and more. All that said, Apple didn't forget the planet. The iPhone 17 is built with 30% recycled content, including 85% recycled aluminum and 100% recycled cobalt in the battery. Manufacturing relies on 35% renewable energy, and packaging is 100% fiber-based and recyclable. It's the premium phone that builds in sustainability. Of course, this is only part of the story. Apple also unveiled the ultra-thin iPhone Air, starting at $999, hitting just 5.6 millimeters thick, wrapped in a titanium frame, still packing powerful internals like the A19 Pro and a striking center stage front cam, and claiming all-day battery, with reduced size, not reduced capability. And for the power users, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max models step up massive style. These come with the A19 Pro, a vapor chamber-enabled aluminum unibody for better thermal performance, and 348 MPF. Fusion cameras including a long-range 8x optical quality telephoto. The front center stage is still 18 MP, and video features are taking pro filmmaking to a whole new level, with ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2, and Genlock for multi-camera syncing. So if you're wondering which is the iPhone 17 model for you, you're spoiled for choice, from the main iPhone 17 to the sleek iPhone Air, and right up to the daring iPhone 17 Pro/Pro Max, the lineup covers all the bases. Here's why this matters: whether you're a casual user, a content creator, or a tech lover, the iPhone 17 family offers something groundbreaking. Apple is not only catering to different user needs, they're pushing the envelope of what a smartphone can do. If you're already holding an iPhone 14 or 15, the temptation here is real. Between leaps in display tech, camera capabilities, processing speed, battery life, connectivity, and sustainability, you're looking at more than just an upgrade. This feels like a whole new generation. Let me leave you with this: Apple's playing the long game, and iPhone 17 is its strongest move yet. It's sleek, it's powerful, it's smart, and it's here. Thank you so much for watching Tech Vibe. Stay plugged in for hands-on teasers, deep dive reviews, and comparisons coming soon. The future is here, and it fits in your pocket. Catch you in the next one.